Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to twist professionally. First of all, you get your attachment, wool or any other thing you're going to use. Then keep it on a thread or rope.
Then start with Bob Marley
At the roots, just a little bit at the roots.
To prevent it from loosening. Enjoy
your view.
Thank you. Okay, so assuming you know how to make Bob Marley, if you want to advance twisting, so you make like 3 and divide it into 2
for this twisting to proceed. After dividing into 2, then you start by twisting it. While twisting, you have to roll each side of the attachment to make it firm.
Roll it like this. Just roll it. Don't just start twisting like this. You have to roll it.
Look at the phone number. What's it doing? Yes, look at it. Then you have to twist it to the end. If you don't twist it to the end, it's going to loosen. You don't have to use a lighter as far as it twists it to the end. But people who don't know how to twist it to the end, they use lighters. Now that's how to twist like a professional. Thank you.